Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new channel. In this mini vlog, I will give you a glimpse into my lazy Saturday. I woke up at 11 well rested. Usually I don't wake up this late, it's because it's Saturday, so why not? I will do a mini vlog on my skin routine as well, so stay tuned. Just gonna put my hair up and get ready for the day. Meanwhile, Harper woke up. Just gonna get her ready. I'm just gonna put her down and let her watch her favorite show, Miss Rachel. She enjoys watching it. So her breakfast is ragi and almond porridge. And this is my tea. I always begin my day with a cup of tea. That's me. Some strawberries to have later. Harper is having her lunch. And my brother made tacos for our lunch today. We'll do a mini Shein haul. So these are for Harper, her swimwear for the holidays. So I've got her pink and red, and I've got her a cord set. Look how pretty this is. And I've got myself a dress. I'm gonna try it later on. My baby is teething at the moment, so she needs comfort more than ever, so we're doing it one snuggle at a time. Finally, I find myself in a cozy corner of my home, ready to end my day with a peaceful Bible reading. And there you have it, a glimpse into my lazy Saturday. I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more content. Until next time.